Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tact. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. The goal of my YouTube channel is to provide you a cooking system that is healthy, practical, efficient, and fun. In this video, I'm going to show you a lemon chicken mushroom dish that I cooked the other night. It is very fast. It takes only about 4 minutes. The secret of this dish is how you marinate the chicken with cornstarch and assortment of seasonings before you cook them. To complement the chicken, I decided that I would add some mushroom. And then I cooked the mushroom with rice cooking wine, and then finally I garnished the dish with scallions. So okay, let's get into the kitchen and see how we're going to do this. Cooking the dish is actually very fast. In fact, a good part of the time is used for warming up the wok and then heat up the oil to the temperature that are ready for the stir frying. I use my spot seasoning method to make sure that I create a non-stick coating surface for the wok. This method is very simple. All I need to do is to heat the oil to its smoking point and let it smoke gently for about 15 seconds. I coat the chicken with cornstarch, and then I season the chicken with the seasoning that I used, which come from my masala dabba. This set of basic seasoning agents actually allow me to create almost any type of flavor that I like. And my masala dabba contains 7 different seasoning agents. They are mushroom seasoning, lemon pepper, onion flakes, garlic powder, ginger powder, paprika, and cumin. For seasoning this chicken, I use primarily mushroom seasoning and lemon pepper, and then I supplement it with the other 5 ingredients. I used about half teaspoon of mushroom seasoning, 1/3 teaspoon of lemon pepper, and I use a little bit of all the other 5. The exact amount actually is not that important. I season the chicken at the time before I cook, and that seems to be long enough to provide the flavor for the chicken. I pan fry the chicken to about maybe 50 to 60% done. The seasoning browns the chicken while the cornstarch gives the chicken a light crispy breading. To complement the chicken, I use about 1 cup of thinly sliced white mushroom. I actually seasoned the chicken quite heavily this time. The reason is that this will create a nice contrast with the relatively bland flavor of the white mushroom. It is this contrast that will bring out the flavor of both in the chicken as well as in the mushroom. And when I think about flavor of a dish, I think more than just whatever the seasoning that I add to flavor the dish, but I also think about the flavor of the ingredients, their natural flavor, their texture, and how they interplay with each other to create the type of flavor that I enjoy. This dish creates a complex interplay between the seasoning agents and the ingredients. Wine goes really well with mushroom, so here I add 2 tablespoons of rice cooking wine. Finally, I garnish the dish with some scallions. It is really important that you add both of this toward the end of the cooking process. This will retain the flavor of the wine as well as the freshness of the scallions. With a few quick mixes, the dish is done. And the total cook time of this dish is less than 4 minutes. In fact, about 2 minutes was used for heating up the wok and the oil. I would call this dish is almost perfectly cooked, at least from my viewpoint. The chicken is just right. It has a nice browning to it due to the seasoning that I add to the chicken. Also, by coating the chicken with cornstarch, it gives it a very light breading. The addition of the rice wine creates a light wine sauce. By adding the mushroom toward the end, the mushroom is perfectly cooked. A mushroom has a tendency to absorb any fluid, so it gives the mushroom a very nice wine flavor. This is an excellent dish to serve for dinner, particularly when you cook this dish in combination with another dish of stir-fried vegetables. And if you prep the chicken in the way how I'd shown earlier in this video, you can have chicken thawed out directly from the freezer to the wok in less than 10 minutes. And with my fast cooking system, now I'm able to cook meals like this. And consequently, there's really no reason for me want to eat out anymore. Particularly if I could create a flavor that I enjoy, as well as to make my dish more healthy. When I combine advanced prepping with stir-frying, cooking a meal like this actually do not take me any more time if I resort to fast and processed food. The end result is transformative because by having this cooking system, it allowed me to take full control of what I put into my body, but this also helped me to manage my life better. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.